Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video, and this is episode 19. So let's get started right now. And this is
the
beans.
It's a lot of beans. See
Yeah.
over. So
It's a lot of beans and
yeah.
peppers
This one is
here.
pepper right here. It's the big pepper right here.
Yeah, there's a lot of peppers.
Yeah. Lot of over here. And this is the tomatoes. Lot of tomato over here. And one is right here. And this one is ready to eat. Yeah. Few tomatoes here. Yeah. There's a lot of beans here.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Over here is a lot of chili. I see the red chili right here.
Yeah.
Oh, I take it out, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. It's right here. Few is here. That one is so nice.
Yeah.
The red one is so good. And one is yellow over here.
Yeah.
And this one is the tomato right here.
Yeah.
This one is chili plant also right here. This one is okra.
Mhm.
This is the chili plant, no chili here. Yeah, right here. Yeah, a lot of beans here. See?
Yeah, there's a lot of beans.
Yeah. I can eat that one. Yeah. This is the eggplant.
Yeah.
Right here. This is lemon tree.
Yeah, the lemon tree.
Very beautiful tree. Up here we have the bitter melon right here.
Yeah, there's a lot.
It's so big. It's a lot of bitter melon.
Look at this.
Spicy. We have a lot of bitter melon. One is over here. One is up there. Right here. There's a lot of flower here. Okay, this one is a lot of beans right here. Over here is the big beans right here. So nice. Okay, it's a lot of bitter melon. This is the fig. Just get ready
No,
to eat. No,
I don't think so.
fell down because of the rain.
I don't
It's
know.
right here. It's over here.
Oh,
It's a lot up here also. Yeah. Let's come here.
yeah.
This one is the okra. Right
But
here
that's
is
really
okra.
big.
Yeah. That one is okra also. Oh, that is a big bitter melon right here.
Whoa, that's giant.
Yeah. It's so big. It's so nice.
Mm.
And this one is it's right here the flower of the eggplant.
Yeah.
Right here is the eggplant. This one is chili. You see?
Yeah.
So nice chili. Over here is chili also, the big one. That one is so big. Yeah. This one is the big chili. Yeah. And this one is I see over here though.
Bitter melon?
Yeah, bitter melon right here. This one is the eggplant.
Yeah.
I see over here. See,
Yeah.
it's so nice one, the bitter melon. This one is nice bitter melon also. This is the eggplant. Yeah. This one is the peppers
Yeah.
right here. right here. One is here. One is bitter melon right here. One is right here. See, it's a lot of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Move on.
Yeah,
move
that's
back.
actually a lot.
Yeah, this is the bitter melon. This is the okra tree. I see the one okra over here, right here. Yeah. I see the one bitter melon right here.
Yeah.
That's so good. Yeah. It's one okra right here. Yeah, this one is tomatoes. I think that someone take the tomatoes already. This one is eggplant.
Yeah.
This one is beans here. This
That's
one
a
is
lot of
chili.
beans.
Right here, the chili. Yeah, it's a lot of beans. This is the bitter melon right here. One bitter melon is here also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Over here is a melon. This is the melon.
Yeah.
It's not a lot of. Yeah. Okay, one bitter melon tree is over here. Bitter melon tree is here.
Yeah.
Can you see any bitter melon? Okay, let's go over here. Right here we have the lot of chili plant. See, lot of chili. I think we need to take it out that one.
Sure.
Yeah, see? That one. One is over here also. You see, so nice. Okay, this is the bitter melon tree. I don't see any bitter melon right here. Maybe it's on the bottom.
You didn't see any.
This is the okra. One okra is over here. Let's go on that side. We have the one bitter melon right here, the small one. Yeah, this one big right here. You can see.
Yeah, that's big.
Yeah, that one is so big, and one is over here also. You see? Yeah, that one is so big. Oh, it's a lot of. One is over here. Yeah, right here. One is right here. There's the big one also. You can see. It's so big, and that one the different kind of watermelon. This is a okra right here. There's a lot of okra.
Yeah.
Over here is okra right here. Yeah. Can you hold that one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is bitter melon right here. That one is nice. One is over here. Don't touch it, okay? On the bottom over here have the okra. Right here I take it out the okra. Good. Okay, it's a lot of bitter melon on that side also. You can reach. One is over there in the middle. One is right here. One is over here. See, it's a lot of on the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a lot of there. Yeah. And that one is so big.
Yeah, there is along the bottom.
Yeah.
This will go down there.
Yeah. Yeah, this one is so big.
Yeah.
And that one is very beautiful plant. Over here is one chili right here.
Yeah.
One chili plant over here. It's the big chili right here. Over here is mosquito also. This one is cucumber. We can take it out that one. So small. This one is bitter melon right here. This look like snake. This one is fig.
There's a lot up there,
Yeah.
but like it's not ready.
That one is so big. See this one.
That one's big.
We can take it out this one. Over here have the one is right here. See, we get a lot of chili. One chili, this one I can take. We can take it out. Yeah, it's so big. See, it's so big with the leaf.
Oh yeah, it is. Giant.
Okay, one bitter melon is right here. Is going, that one is going to be high. The bitter melon is going high. Oh, this is the fig.
Oh.
You see that one?
I didn't see that.
Yeah.
That one's
You
ready.
see over here, that one is ready to eat. I open it. Let's see. Yeah, this is the look like ready to eat from inside. Yeah. It's so yummy. So you want it?
Yeah, try it.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah, it's actually not bad.
And it's a lot of inside maybe, but not all of them is not ready.
Oh, I see one over there.
Where?
Far.
It's ready?
Yeah, it's red though. That one,
Oh yeah.
that one looks red.
Yeah, but I don't think so. Yeah. No, this one is.
Oh, that one's
strawberry.
way too.
Yeah.
How about that one up there?
No, that
No,
one.
that
isn't.
one looks a little good.
Yeah. Yeah. It's so good. I hope you like the video. See, this one is a small one on the corner over there. Small one right here. You see the chili right here also.
Yeah.
That one is so nice. One small one is right here. See, very small. Oh, one right here. We not see that one. Okay. Yeah. See that one? It's a lot of. One is over here. Yeah, leave like that.
Yeah.
One is right here. It's so good. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share. This is our backyard. We have a lot of stuff. Thank you so
Thank
much
you, guys.
for watching. Please subscribe and share.